If you have ever needed an excuse to start learning to play the guitar, then these 3 songs are it.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge. You can do this! Woohoo! Yes! It's easy peasy! Oh.
I will play the song first before I teach it to you. So please listen carefully. My hope for you today is to grow in confidence as a guitar player so you can show your family and friends how talented you really are.
Hooray!
I will play the song first before I teach it to you. So please listen carefully. I'm just going to jump in really quickly here. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell and this gives you a notification when I post more videos just like this. David here, just jumping in really quickly. If you are nervous about playing in front of people, or maybe you just need like a little bit of guidance and a little bit of help, it is time to stop doubting yourself. I just want to tell you a little bit about my new book, which is A Guitar Star in 30 Days. Each day, a new lesson unlocks and helps you to grow confidence, to play in front of people, to play in front of grandma, friends, mum and dad. And also on day 30, you get to do a performance in front of people, and there's also a completion certificate that you can cut out of the book, put on the wall just for everybody to see your incredible achievement. This book will also help you to stay motivated and on track. There are a lot of people learning songs from this book. You can also have this book by tomorrow, and all you need to do is to search Guitar Star in 30 days on Amazon right now. If you love the online video course that accompanies this book, you can just follow along with me just like this. And there's a link in the description of this video. And I know you'll really enjoy the course. If you are struggling with something, just know I believe in you. And keep trying. Know that we are loved no matter what. Remember, believe you can and you will. Keep believing in your dreams and you can do amazing things. I'm here with you each week, supporting you, cheering you on now and always. I want to express my gratitude, my appreciation for you being here today and choosing me as your teacher. I am very, very proud of you, and your family will be very proud of your commitment to learning the guitar. I hope you are as excited and pleased with the work you have done today. Remember, I am here every week alongside you, doing the work alongside you, so you don't have to go at it alone. You have my full support. I am here for you no matter what. And that is my promise to you.
Let your light shine.